In this video, you will learn how to configure Gmail authentication in SQL Backup and FTP to send backup notifications. Step 1. Configure the database connection. In the Connect to Database section on the right, click Settings. Select your database type, then enter the database host, username, and password to connect. Step 2. Select Databases. In Select Databases, choose the databases you want to backup. Step 3. Choose Backup Storage. In Store Backups in selected destinations, select where backups will be stored. For example, choose a local folder, a network folder, or a supported cloud storage destination. Step 4. Set up the backup schedule. In Schedule Backups, define when backups will run and how often they will repeat. Step 5. Set up email notifications using Gmail authentication. Locate the Send Confirmation section. This feature sends email notifications after each backup job execution. Enable Send Confirmation, then click Settings to open the notification channel configuration. This method uses Google OAuth, so SQL Backup and FTP can send notifications without storing your Gmail password. In the notification channel window, choose Gmail authentication, then click Authorize button. Your default web browser will open to the Google sign-in page. Select your Gmail account and click Continue. Select the checkbox to allow SQL Backup and FTP to send email on your behalf. When Google displays an authorization code, copy the code, return to SQL Backup and FTP, paste it into the authentication window, and confirm. Finally, click Send Test Email to verify delivery. When the test succeeds, click to save your configuration. Step 6. Run a test backup. Click Run Now to start a backup job, then confirm that the notification email is received.